We'll guide you through how to create a Claude Kelly song. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your favorite music production software like Logic Pro or Ableton Live on your computer. Make sure you have a good quality microphone and audio interface ready to capture the best vocals. Start by setting up a new project and create a basic beat or melody that resonates with the style of Claude Kelly. Think about catchy hooks and memorable melodies, because those are key elements in his songs. Next, layer your instruments. You can use piano, synths, or guitar to add depth and variety to your track. When you have a solid instrumental, it's time to work on the lyrics. Claude Kelly is known for his storytelling and emotional depth, so focus on writing lyrics that have a strong narrative or personal touch. Once your lyrics are ready, it's time to record the vocals. Make sure your vocal performance is both powerful and emotive, capturing the essence of what you want to convey. After recording, spend time on mixing and mastering. Adjust the levels of each track so everything blends well together, and use effects like reverb and delay to give your song a polished sound. Keep the vocals clear and prominent, but make sure the instrumental complements them perfectly. Finally, listen to your track a few times, make any necessary tweaks, and then export it in a high-quality format. Now you have your very own Claude Kelly-inspired song. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.